You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is a girl's name. It's also the name of a bird native to New Zealand. So this is a name from Maori, also Hawaiian, Polynesian. It's pronounced as Tui. Is also the name of an airline and a travel agency. Tui Airlines, or Tui, the name. It's also the name of a character in Moana. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.